Hey everyone, welcome into Mud's Closet. I have an unboxing from a friend. Talk about happy mail. This is a good friend of mine that lives across the country from me that has been supportive of my junk journaling since the beginning and sent me a package when I first started and had nothing. So like a year and a half ago is about when it started. And I adore her. So thank you, Amy. And she, in the town that she lives in, or near the town that she lives in, there is a a craft thrift store, a reuse and use. So she sent this box, and I thought I would open it with you guys. Those kind of slips are why I think I make people nervous with my knife, but you know, it is what it is. I'm so excited. You know, people forget what it's like to receive mail. Not email, not a text, but mail. So it is exciting. Oh, look at this. Y'all, I didn't have the light on. Is this better? So of course, a lovely note on an envelope, and there's a letter. I'll set that aside and catch that later. I don't know if you can see the tissue paper is a sewing pattern, and instead of tape, there are these lovely stamp-like stickers. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is somebody that, oh my gosh, the thought just makes me feel loved. Oh, okay. So this is a mystery collage pack. Oh my goodness. So there is a ton of stuff in here. A less curated collage pack to spark your creativity is what it says. These are reused materials, volunteer powered. Scrap is a nonprofit dedicated to inspiring creative reuse by providing educational programs and affordable materials to the community. I already am thrilled with these kind of vintage angels. There is okay, we'll take some time to go through that. A ribbon pack, a scrap ribbon pack. All these neutrals, y'all. These stickers that are dots with a silver lining. You can easily embellish those. Oh my goodness. Chocolates, of course, my favorite. It's stationery, y'all. Envelopes and paper with chocolate all over it. And let us not forget the folder. I would really be in big trouble if I went to this store, I think. Oh. Looks like ephemera and papers, stickers. I do need to open this. Oh my goodness. So these are cardstock, and those are cool and very junky, very grungy. Some strips. These are stickers. Feel joy, wish love. Oh. More stickers and some letters. My goodness, this is a bunch of good stuff. A little zipper pouch with a bead dangle. Some clips. These are roller skates, or yes, roller skate clips. Nice. And I love this little zipper bag. Vintage photos. Oh, seriously. And what is, oh, edging. Beautiful. A washi tape. Okay. With a peel off back and a mystery pack. Well, you guys, I am thrilled. I am delighted. I feel so loved. And Amy, you outdid yourself. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, all this neat stuff. We'll just pack them back in. If you made it this far, thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.